Here's Natural Camera app, manual unprocessed raw photos. So you can just tap get to install it. And this is the app, Unleash Your Inner Photographer with Natural, the app that puts professional grade controls at your fingertips. Natural offers effortless manual controls with a stunning, minimalist, and intuitive interface. Its clean, distraction-free design lets your subject shine while elegant gesture-based controls. And then yeah, you can then just take photos in here. And then 3 days free, then $30 per year. So there is instant kind of upgrade. All right, so this is just to give you an idea. This is a solo developer app, so you can support him. So as people saying, I've been trying to find an app to replace my disposable for so long. But yeah, that's the app.